In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send disappearing messages on WhatsApp. This feature automatically deletes new messages after a time you choose, helping you keep conversations tidy and a bit more private. Just keep in mind, it's not a security guarantee. People can still take screenshots, copy text, or save media, so only share what you're comfortable with. Start by opening WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're connected to the internet and, if possible, using the latest version for the smoothest experience. From the main screen, tap the new chat button to start a conversation. This is usually the circular message icon. If you already have an existing conversation in mind, that works too. The setting is applied per chat. Next, pick a contact from your list to open the chat window. You'll land in the conversation screen where you normally type messages. Now, look to the top right corner and tap the three-dot menu to open more options. This is where WhatsApp keeps additional settings for the chat. From that menu, select disappearing messages. WhatsApp may show a brief explanation of how this works. Continue to the settings screen. Here, choose how long new messages in this chat should stay before they vanish. The common options are 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. Pick the duration that fits your needs. Remember, this only affects messages sent after you turn it on. Older messages won't be removed. Also, both you and the other person will see that disappearing messages are enabled, so there's transparency about the setting. After you make your selection, close the settings panel to return to the chat. You don't need to do anything special, just exit the menu and you're back in the conversation. You'll see a system message in the chat confirming that disappearing messages are now on, along with the duration you chose. That's your confirmation that everything is set. From here, type and send messages as usual, and they'll delete themselves after the time period you selected. A few quick tips to wrap up. If you change your mind, you can come back to the same menu and switch the duration or turn the feature off at any time. In group chats, the ability to change this setting may be limited if admins have restricted it. And if you're sending photos or videos that you want viewed only once, consider using WhatsApp's View Once option for media. That's it. Your chat is now set to disappear on its own, helping you reduce clutter and keep conversations lighter